World Geography with Muhammad Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to TR, Topographic Ruggedness Index. What is a Topographic Ruggedness Index, TRI? The Topographic Ruggedness Index was developed by Riley et al. In 1999 to express the amount of elevation difference between adjacent cells of a DEM. It calculates the difference in elevation values from a center cell at the 8 cells immediately surrounding it. It also defines the ruggedness of that area. So here is its formula. Where is the smooth means the mean value of your DEM, and mean MIN means minimum, and MX means maximum of DEM values. So let me start it. The formula as you showing, it's very simple and easy. Now we have a DEM of a Gujarat, the district of Punjab, and the Punjab is a province of Pakistan. So we first apply on it the focal statistics to find its maximum and minimum value. As you can see here, the tool which name as focal statistic, it's open to them, it's okay. First we give it the Gujarat DEM, then we go here the height. As now I commonly paste here the 10 value, but you can paste here according to your need, and this 10 is represents the elevation in meters. Okay, so I want to the 10 meter of elevation this data. Now if I give in the its statistics type as a mean, so it's called smooth, or if I can give it here maximum or minimum, so it will be the maximum minimum. So now I give its name as a smooth DEM. Okay, and just simple its path. So I now give its path. I need to give the path where I want to save, but I first copy the name, then I go, yes, here I paste the name, simple OK, and it will be saved and run it. But first I need to also giving here the minimum and maximum one, so I need OK to by once together. Now I give its maximum, so here I give its name maximum DEM. So now I need one more for minimum, so I OK it, and I run these three together to reduce your time, because if I run it one by one, so it will be taking more time, so I don't want to waste your time. So I give here minimum DEM. Okay, so I now OK it together, so it will be together process. So let us skip the video. So as you can see, our results are coming, almost is come. Okay, now we check out our formula. Here is the formula: smooth minus minimum and divided by maximum minus minimum. Okay, so it's very simple. So we need the raster calculator tool for it. Raster calculator. Okay, so here is our raster calculator. We simply need the brackets, and here we simply paste it minus minimum, then bracket close, then divide it, or bracket open. I need to check out formula: maximum minus minimum. Okay, maximum minus minimum, then bracket close, and we need to give its output. Its output like we want to find TRI of Gujarat. Okay, save it, okay. So it will process, and now we will get the answer of it. So as you can see, we get the result of this from 0.1 to 0.8. Now we classify it on the 4 classes like this. We need to range reverse it and symbology of this for this color. Okay, now apply it. So you can clearly see the values of this range, where is the high and where is the low. So I hope it will help you in finding the stream and spatial database, like roughness of an area. So it will help you. So for more further details, you need to subscribe our channel and share our channel, and stay tuned with us for more informative videos. Thank you so much.